Married people are more likely to masturbate than people living alone. The average man has 11 erections per day and 9 erections a night. Women who went to college are more likely to enjoy receiving and giving oral sex. There are between 500 and 1,000 deaths per year due to autoerotic asphyxiation. Having sex at least once per week can lower a man's risk of heart disease by 30%, stroke by 50%, and diabetes by 40%. It has also been shown that men with an active sex life are more likely to live past 80 years. Approximately 70% of people in the US admit to fantasizing about group sex at some point in their life, and more than 50% of those people actually follow through. Men who help with housework also tend to have more sex. According to the American Sociological Association, found that the most mind-blowing sex typically comes with being in love with your partner. Research shows that people who laugh at dark jokes have higher IQs and report less aggressive tendencies. Over 80% of people feel more confident approaching an attractive person if that person has a dog with them. Some psychologists argue that we fall in love with someone who is similar to the parent with whom we have unresolved childhood issues, unaware we are seeking to resolve this childhood relationship in adulthood. When someone looks at a new love, the neural circuits that are usually associated with social judgment are suppressed. Studies show that if a man meets a woman in a dangerous situation, such as on a trembling bridge, he is more likely to fall in love with her than if he met her in a more mundane setting, such as in an office. Women often feel loved when talking face to face with their partner. Men, on the other hand, often feel emotionally close when they work, play, or talk side by side. Men are more likely than women to be more flexible in their romantic choices when they are looking for short-term relationship, though when they want a long-term mate, they become pickier about basic virtues. Men who remarry usually choose a wife 5 years younger. If they wed a third time, they often marry someone 8 years younger than themselves.